Okay, so in this video, I'd like to give you an overview of how to create coupons within Woocommerce. Woocommerce have moved this functionality down to the marketing tab. And when you click on the marketing tab, you'll see coupons. I don't have any coupons created, and there are some recommendations and tips, but you can basically ignore those for now and just follow the following steps. So you click on create your first coupon, and the coupon screen will load. And you need to fill in some of these parameters. It's basically got three tabs: general, usage restriction, and usage limits. But let's start with the coupon code. The coupon code is the code that you would give to your customers that they can use at the checkout of the WooCommerce shop to apply a discount. My recommendation would always make this coupon simple, and it should be one word instead of two words. So I'm going to make a coupon called test. You can include numbers if you want, and you can put in the description. The description is probably only relevant for you, but we can put it in anyway. It's a test coupon, and it's going to be a 50% off. Okay. So let's start with the general tab. So what we want to have is we want to have a percentage discount, and we can set that percentage. So you can set it 10, 20, 30, whatever it might be, 50% off. There are little tips here that will give you a prompt, and they're called tooltips. They'll tell you what each field does. There's an option to allow free shipping. So if you want to enable free shipping, you can do that via this option as well. And then you should set a coupon expiry date. So I'm going to set it sometime at the end of this month. And so what I'm saying here is that this test code will apply a 50% percentage discount on the cart at the end, and it will only be valid until 12 midnight on this date. I can then click on usage restrictions. You can set a minimum and a maximum spend, and there are other options here like individual use only, and it can't be in conjunction with other coupons, etc., etc. Now, more specifically, you can apply it against a product, or you can apply it against a category. So it's completely normal to apply this coupon against the category. Sometimes people want to apply it against the entire shop, but you may only want to apply it against certain categories. If you select a category here, that means that this 50% coupon will only be valid on a product that is within this specified category. If you want to make it available for the whole shop, so say it's a January sale and you want to make it applicable, you just hit X and you don't select any categories. As you can see, you can include specific products or exclude specific products or categories. And so there are the options there. And then finally on usage limit, sometimes some people want to say, okay, this coupon is only valid on one per person, or it applies to X amount of limits of X amount of times to be used per coupon. So that means that if someone uses that test coupon once, you can restrict it so they can't come into the shop and use the same coupon again. A lot of times people don't apply these restrictions because basically they want customers to spend as much as possible, and they're not really too fussed on whether how many times to come back to use the coupon. So I've set my amount, I've set my usage restriction. I've made it basically they can use it against any product, and then the usage limit applies to people. I haven't restricted anything there. So if I hit publish, that coupon is now active, and all that means is that you need to communicate this coupon out to your customers. So the coupon is set up on the system. If I click on coupons now, I should see, yeah, there it is there. There's the coupon code, and there's a description of the coupon. And as people start to use it, you will see information on how many times it's been used. This number will increase here. And it will be applied against all of your products. So that's basically it. That's how you set up a coupon, and I'd advise you to delete older coupon codes if they're not being used anymore. If you go in here and you see lots and lots of codes that you might have used previously, I would advise you to tick on them and hit trash. The reason for that is if you have multiple coupons that are active across your cart, it may confuse the logic of the checkout process if somebody tries to use two coupons and maybe even a coupon that you set up a year ago that you might not remember. So best practice is set your coupons up, and you can either delete them or make them unpublished for within a certain period of time. Don't forget, of course, if you set the coupon expiry date, then it won't work past a certain date because there's the expiry date there. But in the interest of housekeeping, I would delete your old coupons and only maybe have 3 or 4 available at any one time. Okay, enjoy.